What the hell I tell y'all? By any means necessary. We in that motherfucker, man. About to get one in right quick. Snow days in DFW. 5 miles legs on the menu today. Let's do it to it, man. Fuck all that talking. What you doing? I see the winners is out. You see these cars in this parking lot? Them the winners. The winners out, man. You gonna be one of them? Or you gonna be one of the motherfuckers at home stuffing your face and watching your favorite fucking show? You choose. I'm out.